Morning all, got a Porsche to do this morning. Not a diamond cut, you'll be pleased to hear. So a satin black wheel. We're in cheeky Chigwell, which I love. So yeah, you can see the damage. So yeah, we're going to take that out and move over to the van. So satin lacquer all applied. You can see that beautiful sheen all over the wheel. Just gives it that really subtle look. So happy days, let's get it on the motor. That's it, all done in cheeky Chigwell. So customers over the moon with a Porsche, so am I. So give us a buzz, 0333 207 9971, or visit the website justwheelrepair.co.uk. Later.